Good day and welcome to Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. This video, we will discuss division of rational algebraic expression. Division of rational algebraic expression. Here are the steps in dividing rational algebraic expression. Step 1. Cross multiply the first numerator and second denominator. Number 2. Cross multiply the first denominator and second numerator. Factor the numerator and denominator. Cancel out the common factor. And last one is simplify. Okay, simply. Example, A over B divided by C over D. This should be our illustration. The first one, we need to multiply. Okay, multiply. Therefore, A times D over the second denominator multiply to the second numerator. Yan, multiply means B times C. Let's have here the first example in division of rational algebraic expression. 10n over 9 divided by 13n squared over 16. Simply multiply the first numerator to the second denominator. Okay, multiply, then 10n times 16 over multiply the first denominator to the second numerator. Multiply, you have 9 times 13n squared. Okay, then 10 times 16, you have 160, and then n over 9 times 13, you have here 117 n squared. Okay, then 160 over 160n over 117n squared. Okay, then find or simplify 160 and 117. They don't have a common factor, therefore we will have here 100 n rather, cancel out, then minus 1. Then we will have here 160 over 117n. Okay, and this would be the simplified one. Next, we have here cross multiply in number 2, 16x over 17 and 8x over 6, and multiply means 16x times 6 over, ayan, multiply 17 times 8x. Okay, then equals to 16 times 6. We have here 96 x over 17 times 8, 136x. Okay, then after that, simplify. We have here 96 and 136. Find their common factor. Okay? Find their common factor. Their common factor is 8. Okay? Their common factor is 8. Therefore, 96 divided by 8. 96 divided by 8. We have here 12. Then 136 divided by 8 is 17. Yan ha. Divide by 8. Then divide by 8. Next, x and x. Okay, cancel out. 1 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, 12 over 17. Okay, let's proceed to the third and fourth example. Okay, third and fourth example. Third example, 40 over t minus 6 divided by 40 over 80 minus 48. Okay, the first rule, cross multiplication, cross multiply. We have 40 times 80 minus 48. Ayan. Then cross multiply. We have 40 times t minus 6. Okay. Then factored out or simplify. Okay. Ayan. Then the remaining is 80 minus 48 over t minus 6. Yan siya. Then 80 minus 48, their common factor is 8. Then t minus 6 over t minus 6. Cancel. Then the remaining is 8. Okay, that is the quotient. Fourth example, 3 over 28b divided by 3 over b plus 1. Cross multiply. 3 times b plus 1 over cross multiply. You have 3 times 28b. Then factor out. We have here b plus 1 over 28b. And this would be our quotient. Okay. Fifth and sixth example. 6 over 28x plus 4 divided by 6 over 35x plus 5. Cross multiply. Ayan. 6. Then 35x plus 5. All over. Cross multiply. 6 times 28x plus 4. Yan. Then, cancelled out. Then, okay, cancelled out. 6. Then observe 35x plus 5. They have their common factor which is 5. Then, 7x plus 1 over 28x plus 4. They have their common factor which is 4. Then 7x plus 1. Then cancelled out. The remaining is 5 over 4. And this would be the quotient of 6 over 28x plus 4 divided by 6 over 35x plus 5. Let's proceed to the sixth example. 49x plus 21 all over 6x divided by 42x plus 18 all over 6. Simply cross multiply. You have 49x plus 21 times 6 all over, cross multiply. You have 42x plus 18 times 6x. Okay, factored out muna natin kung ano yung pwede pa ma-factor. 49x plus 21. Then we have here 42x plus 18. Okay, ano yung pwede nating i-factor sa kanila? First one, the common factor is 7. Then 7x plus 3 times 6 all over. Ayan ha. Okay. Dito naman 42x plus 18. Their common factor is 6. Let's have here 6. Then you have 7x plus 3 then times 6x. Ayan. Then cancelled out the common. You have your 7x and plus 3, 7x plus 3, 6 and 6. The remaining one is 7 over 6x, and this would be our quotient of 49x plus 21 over all over 6x divided by 42x plus 18 all over 6, 7 over 6x. Let's have here our 7th example on the division of rational algebraic expression. X squared plus 10x plus 16 all over x squared plus 6x plus 8 divided by 1 over x plus 4. Okay, simply our rule is cross multiply. Therefore x squared plus 10x plus 16 times x plus 4 all over, cross multiply. You have x squared plus 6x plus 8 times 1. Then after that, factor x squared, x plus 8 times x plus 2 times x plus 4 over factor x plus 2 times x plus 4 times 1. Okay, then cancel out. The remaining is x plus 8. The quotient of x squared plus 10x plus 16 all over x squared plus 6x plus 8 divided by 1 over x plus 4 is 8, x plus 8. Okay, that's it. And thank you for watching Pamati tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also follow us on my Facebook page, Matalino.